Network ports are the unsung heroes of computer networking, enabling seamless communication between devices. They allow multiple applications to run simultaneously, each on its own unique port number. When troubleshooting, understanding these ports is crucial for pinpointing issues. First, check if the domain resolves correctly with tools like ANS-lookup. Next, test connectivity to a specific port using commands like netcat or test net connection. If the port isn't listening, the application might be misconfigured or down. Don't forget to examine firewall settings. They can block essential traffic. For advanced issues, use network traces to see where packets are getting lost. Remember, mastering ports can save you from a world of network headaches. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.